Back in 2021, I did a jump rope transformation with the goal of reaching 10% body fat. I started out at 170 pounds, and roughly 12 weeks later, I was this much leaner. It's almost embarrassing to say how long this video took, from all the planning, framing, lighting, shooting, editing, and procrastinating. But now, I finally get to bring you this time-lapsed perspective of how 20 pounds came off of my body. And by the way, let me know what body fat percentage you think I reached. Look at you! Oh, wait! Dude, how'd you get so ripped? Come on, there's no way that you did that with just skipping rope. Wait, are you not talking to me now? Okay. You believe this guy? Maybe we should try growing some chest hair.